You need to clean your Vax Dual Power Pet Carpet Cleaner after every use to prevent bad smells, clogs, and to maintain its cleaning performance. So let's go through the complete cleaning process, step by step. Before you do anything, switch the machine off and unplug it from the power outlet to prevent accidents. Start by pressing the tank release latch and pulling the dirty water tank out of the machine. Take it to a sink, remove the lid, and carefully pour out the dirty water. This water contains trapped dirt, pet hair, and detergent residue, so it should always be emptied immediately after use. Once the tank is empty, rinse it thoroughly with clean water. Make sure you flush out all corners and edges where residue can collect. Inside the tank, you'll also find a filter. Tap it over a bin to remove hair or debris after 3 to 4 uses and rinse it after 3 months, since a blocked filter can reduce suction. Next, remove the clean water tank from the machine. Rinse it using warm, soapy water. Use a paintbrush to clean it from the inside, swirl the water around, and then pour it out. This prevents solution residue from building up inside the tank and lines. It's important not to use hot water. The maximum safe temperature is 40 degrees Celsius to prevent damage to the machine. To clean the nozzle, gently tilt the machine back to access the front. Firmly pull the nozzle away from the machine. It comes off without any tools. Rinse the nozzle under running water to wash away dirt, hair, and residue that can block airflow. Use a nozzle cleaning tool to get into the edges where debris often gets trapped. Once it's clean, line it back up with the machine and tilt it into place until it sits securely. Now, lay the machine back so you can clearly see the brushes underneath. Start by removing the brush bar. Press the release buttons and pull the spin scrub brushes straight out of the machine. Rinse all the brushes under warm water and clean off any remaining dirt. Ensure everything is fully clear before putting the brushes back. Next, let's see how to deep clean the floor head without taking the machine apart. Start by laying the machine down outside on cardboard or a towel, carefully submerging only the floor head into a bowl of warm water and detergent. Make sure the water level stays well below the motor area. Use a toothbrush or paintbrush to gently scrub the bristles and small crevices where dirt builds up. Let the floor head soak for a short time, then rinse it thoroughly using a garden hose. Once finished, allow the machine to dry completely before using it again. Before we wrap up, always remember to use Vax-approved cleaning solutions only. If you ever find your machine overheating and shutting off while in use, unplug it and let it cool for 1 hour before restarting. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And for another useful vacuum maintenance guide, check out this video next.